When I was a kid, the old dark paneling like this was so popular. Nowadays, people want to brighten things up a little bit. And whether you have real wood paneling like this or sheet paneling, the process to brighten it up is pretty much the same. You need to start out with a 100 grit sandpaper and just sand all of the gloss off the wood surface, wipe it down, follow that with a good quality primer, and after the primer is dried sufficiently, then would be the time, if you have the sheet paneling, to eliminate all those little grooves by using drywall joint compound. 6-inch drywall knife, probably take a couple coats with a little sanding in between to create that nice smooth surface. Then 2 more coats of a very good quality wall paint, and you've brought your paneling and your home right into this century.